Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Squid Game chocolate. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a tiny bit of oil for greasing. Make sure you have a non-stick pan and your chosen cookie cutter ready. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker, ensuring a perfect result. Now let's start cooking. Place your non-stick pan on medium-low heat and add the 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir constantly with a wooden stick or skewer. The sugar will clump, then melt into a clear liquid. Keep stirring until it turns a beautiful light amber color. This step is crucial. Don't let it get too dark or it will taste bitter. Patience is key here for that perfect caramel. Once your sugar is a lovely amber, immediately remove the pan from the heat. Quickly add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and stir vigorously. The mixture will foam up and turn opaque. Pour it onto a piece of parchment paper or a silicone mat. Then, lightly grease your cookie cutter and press it firmly into the warm mixture. You need to work fast before it sets. Finally, let your Squid Game chocolate cool completely. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once it's firm, carefully lift the cookie cutter away. You'll have a perfectly shaped, delicious treat ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy snacking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.